Hi, and welcome to Draw Your Own Comic Strips. I'm Bruce Blitz. Now, in addition to a good joke or gag, the success of a comic strip depends on good drawing. So, let's review some basics of cartooning. Okay, first let's start with a shape and create a cartoon face. Start with a circle like that. Let's put some guidelines in. This is going to indicate where the eyes and nose will be. Now let's put in some eyes. Just a couple circles like that, and some eyebrows, and a funny nose. Now let's have a big smile on his face. And let's put ears on it. And some hair. You want to be loose now and get that spontaneous look to your work, so just get your whole wrist into it. Now, expression is what makes your characters appear to think. Let's start. This fella surprised at something. Have his mouth like that. His teeth are out. Here's his tongue. And this would get darkened in because that's inside of his mouth. Okay, now let's have his eyes wide open with his pupils real small. It makes it funnier. And his ears. Let's give him some stubbly hair on the sides and some hair coming forward. Now I'm going to introduce some cartoon effects and accessories. By doing this, it indicates that he's looking at something. And maybe a little sweat, like he got so frightened.